Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment issue on Snapchat. So the first thing you need to do, check your internet connection, of course, and then verify your payment information. Double check it to make sure it is accurate and up to date. Next, make sure that you can retry the payment method if it doesn't work. If you should give you an option to retry. Tap this button and see the payment goes through on the second attempt. If it doesn't, contact your bank or credit card provider to ensure there are no holds or blocks on your account that are preventing the transaction. Then you can also try a different payment method if possible. Use an alternative. Then also make sure you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Sometimes payment issues are related to bugs in older versions of the app. So go to your device app store and check for any available updates for Snapchat. If none of these steps help, then you need to contact Snapchat support directly for assistance. You can usually find the help center or support section within the Snapchat app or on their website, where you can submit a request for help with payment issues. Keep in mind that if you are paying for Snapchat Plus subscription through a third-party app store like Google Play or the Apple App Store, you might need to manage your payment settings and resolve issues through their platforms. Snapchat's terms indicate that for payments made via third-party platforms, their terms will apply, and you might need to contact them for payment-related problems. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.